बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। मैं हूं मोहम्मद कासिम इल्मी अल-फुरकान हकीम एकेडमी लाहौर पाकिस्तान से। आइए स्टूडेंट, आज हम लाइव कॉल लेते हैं। हमारी बहुत प्यारी बेटी कनाडा से हमें अपना सबक सुनाएंगी। अस्सलामु अलैकुम बेटा, हाउ आर यू?
Walaikum salam. I'm good, sir. How are you?
Yes, fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, usually what do you do in Eid holidays?
Usually we visit family. Sometimes we go to Niagara Falls. We make food, barbecue, very significant dishes, and we enjoy the Eid holidays
Oh,
with each other.
mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Good. Okay, beta. Tell me this one. Uh, uh, did you memorize your lesson?
Yes, sir. I memorized the lesson.
Okay. Are you ready to read?
Yes, I'm ready to read.
Okay, beta. Let's start. Verse number 44.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا لقيتم فئة فاثبتوا واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون وأطيعوا الله ورسوله ولا تنازعوا فتفشلوا وتذهب ريحكم واصبروا إن الله مع الصابرين
Mashallah. Good.
ولا تكونوا كالذين خرجوا من ديارهم بطرا ورئاء الناس ويصدون عن سبيل الله والله بما يعملون محيط وإذ زين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم وقال لا غالب لكم اليوم من الناس وإني جار لكم ولما تراءت الفئتان نكص على عقبيه وقال إني بريء منكم إني أعلم ما لا ترون إني أخاف الله
Inni akhafullah.
أخاف الله والله شديد العقاب.
Okay. Could you please, can you read more?
Yes, sir, I can read more.
Thank you.
إذ
Please.
إذ يقول المنافقون والذين في قلوبهم مرض غر هؤلاء دينهم ومن يتوكل على الله فإن الله عزيز حكيم ولو ترى إذ يتوفى الذين كفروا الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم وأدبارهم وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much. Okay. Can you read translation?
Yes, I can read translation. When Allah showed them to you in your dream as few, and if He had shown them to you as numerous, you would have lost courage and disputed with one another in the matter. But Allah saved you. Certainly, He is the all-knower of what is within the breasts. And when He showed them to you when you met enemy in Badr as few in your eyes, and He made you appear in few in their eyes, so that Allah might accomplish a matter already ordained, and to Allah all matters return.
MashaAllah.
O you who believe, When you encounter an army, hold firm and remember Allah much that you may be successful. And obey Allah and His Messenger and dispute not with one another, lest you should lose courage and your strength depart, and be patient indeed. Allah is with those who are patient.
MashaAllah.
And do not be like those who came forth from their homes exulting and to be seen by people and hindering others from the way of Allah, and Allah encompasses of what they do. And when Satan made their deeds seem fair to them and said, no one can overcome you this day from among the people, and indeed I am your protector. Then when the two armies came in sight of one another, he turned on his heels and said, indeed I am dissociated from you. Indeed, I see what you do not see. Indeed, I fear Allah, and Allah is severe in punishment. When the hypocrites and those in whose hearts is a disease said, these people, Muslims, are deceived by their religion, and he puts his trust in Allah, then indeed Allah is Almighty, All-Wise.
MashaAllah.
And if you could see when the angels take away the souls of those who disbelieve, striking on their faces and their backs, saying, and taste the punishment of burning.
MashaAllah. And beta, can you read Arabic text? ذَلِكَ بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ
ذَلِكَ بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ أَيْدِيكُمْ وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ لَيْسَ بِظَلَّامٍ لِلْعَبِيدِ.
Abid. Okay. Next, beta. Please translation. That is for what you.
That is for what your hands have sent before, and that Allah is not unjust to His slaves.
Okay. Then كدأب
آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كفروا بآيات الله فأخذهم الله
بذنوبهم
فأخذهم الله بذنوبهم إن الله قوي شديد العقاب. Their way is as the way of Pharaoh's people and those before them. They disbelieved the signs of Allah, so Allah seized them for their sins. Indeed, Allah is all powerful, stern in retribution.
MashaAllah. Okay. ذلك
بأن الله لم يكن غير نعمة أنعمها على قوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم وأن الله سميع عليم.
Thank you, beta. This is the last verse. Okay, please recite.
That is because He would not change the favor which He had bestowed upon a people until they change that which is within themselves. And indeed, Allah is all hearing, all knowing.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, beta. MashaAllah, you did memorize very good, and thank you very much, beta. You give me your precious time, and I'm very happy. Thank you, Jazakallah, and may Allah success you in Dino Dunya and Akhirah, and success you in your goals, and may Allah keep you always happy. Okay, beta, and
Okay.
thank you very much, beta. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.